Let me put the butter down. Cut it out. Flip it. I want to flip it by myself. Ooh. I don't know why this is sticking on here. Big old belly. Hey family, how y'all been? Welcome back to our channel, my beautiful blessings. So today we are just going to be making breakfast. Watch me and the kids make breakfast with my pregnant self, and we are going to be cooking for our family of 5. So yeah, I'm just going to let this video play. I started off by whisking up my eggs, and then I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning salt, that Lowry seasoning salt, and then to a buttered skillet, and then I'm going to start making my eggs. I'm making egg burrito, pancakes, jasmine rice, and of course some fruit. So yeah, y'all just enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright y'all, so while the pancake batter is done, Harmony's still mixing because yeah, it's good that she feel like she's still doing something. But anyway, my eggs are pretty much done. I'm adding cheese, black pepper, and eventually picante sauce. I like it spicy, so I use that. But I thought this was gonna be an omelet, y'all, an omelet burrito. I thought I was gonna be able to flip it, but I had to wind up making scrambled eggs. Like all that butter in the pan for nothing, it still sticks to the dang pan. But y'all see what I mean. I don't know why this is sticking on here. Usually not supposed to stick like that, but other times I've been doing it, having it sticking. I'll make it. Alright y'all, so now that I got my scrambled eggs, I am going taking my tortilla shell, adding the eggs, and then I'll eventually be wrapping it up like a burrito. And then I also will be searing it as well. So just letting y'all know what I'm finna do, and I'm gonna let the video play. Alright y'all, so that's how the burrito looked. I already started biting into it. As y'all can see, it was nice, creamy, and cheesy. So going back to the pancakes, I'm just going to add it to a buttered skillet. And then the kids are going to help me make this as well. Here, let me get you started.
Okay.
Oh, let me check it. A little bit longer.
Okay. You just flipped it. Where's my dang tablet?
You should wave again.
Yeah?
Okay, Harmony is ready to flip.
Me.
Put over closer. Come over here.
Actually,
Get down.
She can go first.
Here. Get up real quick so I can put the chair over here.
Stop.
Sit up there.
You can go first.
Hold this. Flip it.
My pancake.
Okay, wait, hold it. Let me put some more butter down.
Well, wait.
And now flip it. There you go.
Make sure y'all pat it down. Yeah. I'm gonna like it. Then I just gotta wait for a second. Oh, going to be yummy, Mommy. I love pancakes.
I don't know.
I think we should only make like 4, so me and Bubba can have 2, since we didn't eat nothing. Ooh, I'm gonna make another one. What, dude? Yeah, so we should just...
Scoot over a little bit so she can flip it. Hold it. Let me put the butter down. Cut it out. Flip it.
I want to flip it by myself. Ooh.
There you go. Bubba, get down. You're done now. All that damn crying. Go. I got the rest. Alright, y'all. I also made jasmine rice because this is good. We love jasmine rice, and it's a good breakfast side dish as well. So I'm just adding a stick of butter to that, and then we like sugar as well. So that's pretty much it. It's the boiling back kind, so I just add the bag in the pot with some water and let it cook, and that's pretty much it, how I made that. I got some of these strawberries out. We can use these.
Mommy, you gonna cut them?
Yes.
Oh. I love strawberries. No, you're not going in that refrigerator, boy. You thought.
Just give me your orange out. Huh? Just give me your orange out.
Okay. No. Is it done?
Yeah, honey, come on and go right and flip it.
Okay, come in.
No, let me do it, Bubba, this time.
I'm gonna do it again. I get to do it. So me and can have both of them.
No, those are big pancakes. I can split those. Ooh, is this grapefruit? This must be them sweet ones.
Yeah, the sweet grapefruits. I love sweet grapefruits. They're yummy.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that one time, boy. No, don't leave with that. That's still hot. Is it hot? Watch out, Chucky. So this thing is still hot and you touch it. Here, play with this one. I'll play with that one.
Why are you telling him to play with it? No, he needs to get his butt down.
You want that chair?
Just grab it. Okay. Just grab one. Let me grab one too. Stop.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
It's delicious?
Yeah. Delicious.
Huh?